extra cheesy taco spaghetti. This is such a easy recipe, but it is slapping with flavor. I'm trying to inform you. I'm trying to put you in the loop. And guess what? I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Let's get started. So you want to begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. Go ahead and drop your pasta right on in. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. Put the top back on, and you want to let it go till it's about al dente. You can look at the directions on the box. You should have the exact timing for you. Once it's done, go ahead and drain that water and set it off to the side as we move on to the next step. I have my pan here to about a medium, and I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil in there, and we're dropping in some chopped onion as well as a little bit of minced garlic. Go ahead and give that a mix. Into that, we are also gonna add in about a pound of some ground beef. This is about a 80-20 split. Go ahead and get that in there, break it down, brown it up. And I'm just also seasoning our ground beef right here with just a pinch of salt and pepper to start off. And like I said, you want to continue to mix this up and let this ground beef continue to brown. Alright, so once you get to this step, your ground beef is pretty much cooked, and we are just gonna drain off the little excess oil that we have in the pan. And once we have that drained off, we are gonna add in our diced tomatoes. We're using Rotel. This is awesome right here, so much flavor. But whatever diced tomatoes you could get your hands on, that will work. Go ahead and drop that right on in. Give it a mix. And to that, we are also gonna add a little bit of splash of beef broth, just a splash, okay? And we are also gonna drop in some taco seasoning. Once we have everything in the pan, you wanna go ahead and mix it up, get all the flavors communicating, and get them well acquainted. I'm also gonna salt and pepper to taste. I gave it a little bit of taste, and yes, I need a little bit more salt and pepper. So I went ahead and sprinkled that in. And now we are gonna reintroduce that pasta in a second here. So before, like I said, we had that set to the side. Go ahead and get it in the pan. All right, join the party. Get it mixed up. And once we have it, mixed in a little bit, we're also gonna add a little bit of freshly chopped cilantro, as well as some mild cheddar to get this nice and cheesy. Man, I'm telling you, this is bomb. Yo, you definitely have to give it a try. And as you can see with your two eyes, no effort at all. This is so quick to get together. It's simply amazing. You know what I'm saying? We have our cheddar in there. We're gonna mix that in, get it nice and melted, get this dish nice and cheesy. And to tell you the truth, that's it. That's all it takes to make this wonderful, flavorful dish. All right, you want to mix it up, get that cheese melted, and you are ready to serve. Come on now, the kiddos, your wifey, your hubby, your neighbor, whoever, they are gonna love this right here. And I hope you try it, and when you do, come back in the comments and let me know how'd you love it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell, as well as hit that like button to let YouTube know you're loving the content. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.